Yeah, I know, I look oily as fuck. Hi, my name is Luciana, welcome to my channel Thank You Very Blush, where I talk about beauty with a flair of humor. So hit the subscribe button if you might be into that. And today I'm gonna show you how I do that glowy, dewy skin by using a highlighter underneath my foundation. So if that's what you're looking for, keep watching. I'm gonna use the Everglow liquid highlighter from Jade. My skin is already prepped and primed. Just gonna dab a little bit in the back of my hand. I'm gonna use a foundation brush. Let's get to it. Now, if you have oily skin, this might be a bit scary, but just trust the process. This looks really good. Now, this usually works best if you don't use a full coverage foundation, you know, like a medium coverage is best, so the shine can come through. So I'm gonna be using my Il Makiage Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. Hey, don't squirt on me. I start at the center of my face and move outwards. I forgot to change my shirt. This is my pajama. And please don't look at my unshaved armpit. Never forget the neck. Look at that natural glow. Now I'm gonna finish the application with the best beauty blender in the market, your fingers. A little bit of concealer under the eye. Sorry, my mirror is like really down here. A little blending. Now I'm gonna go ahead and powder because I'm an oily bitch, so I need to powder. And don't worry, you're not gonna lose the glow by powdering. Set that concealer, the nose, chin. See, still have the glow, but it's just not oily, you know? A quick contouring, just to give some dimension to this face. This contouring might not seem like a lot on the video, because, you know, makeup for video, it needs to be a bit more emphasized. But, you know, for normal people to see me on the street, this is more than okay. Let's erase the double chin, or at least try to. Tiny bit on the nose. Now some blush, fix the eyebrows, lipstick, and we're ready. And that's it, just a quick video to show you how I do my glowy everyday makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more of the content that I do here on my channel. Don't forget to check out my first channel, Luciana GL, or used to be Loquacious Lucy. The link is in the description box below, where I talk about mom life and, you know, woman stuff with lots of TMI. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead of you, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye!